School teaches you how to count money, but not how money actually behaves. And that gap follows people for the rest of their lives. Let's start with a normal kid. They go to school. They learn math. They learn history. They learn how to solve equations on a board. They graduate. And then real life starts charging interest. Here's the first thing school never explains. Money is not just something you earn, it's something that moves. In school, money looks frozen. 1 + 1 = 2. 100 stays 100. In real life, money decays. If you earn money and do nothing with it, it slowly loses power. Prices rise, rent goes up, life gets heavier. No teacher ever says that, so people save cash thinking they're being responsible and then wonder why they're falling behind. Second thing schools don't teach: debt is not always bad, and saving is not always good. In school, debt sounds like a mistake, something irresponsible people do. But in the real world, debt is a tool used by governments, used by corporations, used by people who understand leverage. Meanwhile, people who fear debt completely often end up trapped by it anyway. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. No explanation, just consequences. Third thing that never shows up on the syllabus: your salary is not the same as your wealth. School trains you to get good grades, to get a good job, to get a steady paycheck, but no one explains that income stops the moment you stop working. Wealth keeps going. So people spend their best years trading time for money without ever building something that earns without them. That's not a failure of effort, that's a failure of education. And here's where the problem compounds. When inflation rises, when jobs feel unstable, when assets get more expensive, people don't have a mental model for what's happening. They blame themselves. I should have worked harder. I should have saved more. I should have been better with money. But they were never taught the rules. They were taught how to pass tests, not how to survive systems. And now, those systems are moving faster. Debt is cheaper. Assets are pricier. Mistakes are more expensive. Which raises a quiet question. If schools prepare you for exams, but not for money, risk, and inflation, then who benefits from that gap? And what does it cost the people who never knew it existed?